With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, question is given here. A car moves uniformly along a horizontal since curve A sine xy alpha when A and the certain constant, the coefficient of friction between the wheel and the road is mu. At what velocity will the car ride without sliding? Okay. So here since the car follow a curve, okay, so the maximum velocity at which it can ride without sliding at a point of maximum radius of curvature is short velocity and obviously, okay. So hence from the equation here we can write mu into mg is greater than equal to mv square upon r, okay, or we can write this here, this mu is equal to less than equal to under root of, this will be how much, this will be, sorry, this velocity v is less than equal to mu into r into g, okay. So v max is equal to how much, v max is equal to under root of mu into r, okay, r minimum into g, okay. So we know that the radius of curvature for the curve at any point xy, r radius of curvature r is equal to 1 plus dy upon dx square, okay, upon dy of 1 plus dy upon dx square to the power 3 by 2, okay, upon dy d2y upon dx square, okay. So for the given curve dy by dx is equal to how much, given curve is equal to how much, a sine xy alpha, okay. So this will be a upon alpha into cos xy alpha, okay, and d2y by dx square will be how much, d2y upon dx square is equal to how much, minus 1 a upon alpha square sine x upon alpha, okay. So now see r is equal to radius of curvature, r is equal to 1 plus dy upon dx is how much, a by alpha cos xy alpha square to the power how much, 3 upon 2, okay, upon d2y by dx square is how much, minus a upon alpha square sine x upon alpha, okay. So for minimum r, for minimum, okay, r xy a is equal to, sorry, xy alpha is equal to how much, pi by 2, xy alpha is equal to pi by 2, okay. So r minimum is equal to how much, alpha square upon a, okay. So now see here, let's assume this is here, let's assume this is here, this is equation first, okay, and now let's assume here this is here, this is equation second and this is equation third, okay. So now from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, v max is equal to how much, alpha into under root of mu g by a, okay. So this will be our answer, alpha into under root of mu g by a. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.